Hi students, in this video we will discuss about exercise 4.4 of class 9th. See what is given here in question number 1. Give the geometric representations of y equal to 3 as an equation. First part in one variable, second part is in two variables. So let us start this work. See what is given. Firstly, I am going to start from part 1 in one variable. So if you have to mark graph for this, geometric representation means graph for this y equal to 3 in one variable. See, given y equal to 3. Y equal to 3 given only. It is only one variable. There is no other variable. Only one variable y you have. So to mark this kind of one variable's values on graph, you have to use only number line. See how? Just draw a number line. And mark points as usually you mark, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here -1, -2. And where is 3 on number line? This number 3. It is our y equal to 3. Don't consider it as it is on y-axis or on x-axis. It is only one variable. Y equal to 3 means number 3. Where is number 3? On the number line. This is representation of your y equal to 3 in one variable. In addition, you can mark it is already in one variable. So you don't have any need to change. It is already in one variable. So we marked it in one variable. Now next I will start in two variables. So in two variables. If you have in two variables, what you will do? See, given, what is given to you? Y equal to 3. There is only one variable y equal to 3 here. But where is the other one? If you don't have any other variable, you can introduce from your side. That is, you can mark or y plus 0x. 0 into x. 0 into any value gives 0 equal to 3. Then shift this 0 into x to the other side and find y as you always find. So 3 minus 0 into x. So you have a formula in which you can put two values to find two answers. So I am going to use two values in it. See how? For example, if x 0, what answer will come for y? Then y equal to 3 minus 0 into 0 or 3 minus 0, lastly answer equal to 3. So let us draw a table here first. For 0 answer came 3. Now one more you can use. If x 1, y 3 minus 0 into 1. I am replacing x, y its values. So 3 minus 0 again 3. For 1 also answer is 3 here. See, there is no effect of putting numbers because there was 0 as coefficient given for x. Now we have to mark graph for this. Let's see, just mark values on the graph in this way. Y-axis, x-axis, negative direction, positive here, and here we have negative direction of y-axis. Now we will mark some points on it. 1, 2, 3, 4 enough. 1, 2, 3, 4 enough here. Negative 2 are enough. Negative here 2 enough. So we have first point 0, 3. Where is 0, 3? X 0 here. This is the origin. Write it properly. 0. Then 3. Y 3 means here. This is the point. It is 0, 3. Where is the other one? This one. X1, Y3 upwards. Here in front of it in this direction. X1, Y3. Then we have to draw a line which will pass through these two. Draw a line. When you draw it on the graph paper, you will feel more easy. So we have a line which passes through these points. And what is the equation whose graph you have? Write this equation in two variables. Its graph, okay, we have means 3 minus 0 into x. This is our line whose graph you marked. So this is the representation in two variables for second part. So try to understand. For two variables you will get a graph in Cartesian plane or coordinate plane. For one variable you have to mark values directly on the number line. So this is our question number 1. See next in question number 2. In our next question number 2, you have given the geometric representation of 2x plus 9 as an equation in one variable, in two parts as given in question number 1. Same work. So we are going to start solution, make a heading in one variable. We will see what will come in one variable. Then here we will leave some space for other calculations. So one variable, very first given. What is given? You have 2x plus 9 equal to 0. Here it is equal to 0. Now it is already in one variable. So we will solve it first. Solve it. 2x equal to minus 9, x equal to minus 9 over 2 or minus 4.5. First of all, you should have some value of the variable. In previous y3 given directly, but here you are having a calculation work, small linear equation, so you can solve it for answer of x. We have and mark it is already in one variable. So if it is already in one variable, simply draw a number line and we mark 0 in between, then positive values 1, 2, 3, 4. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and you can extend it because your value is minus 4.5. So here I mark minus 4, minus 5 up to minus 5. Where will be this minus 4.5? You have minus 4. In the middle of gap between minus 4 and minus 5, you will have x equal to minus 4.5. So this is a representation of x equal to minus 4.5, means in one variable. Now we are going to start part number 2. This was part 1, part 2 in two variables. Make a heading in two variables and again start from given. Given is 2x plus 9 equal to 0. But there is no other variable. So firstly you can mark or you can introduce from your side, as I told you, plus 0 into y plus 9 equal to 0. So we introduced, but here there is a difficulty to mark y in the left side because it is 0 into y means 0. There will not be any value of y then. So we will keep x in the left side here. It is little bit different from previous all calculations. In all other calculations I tried to write y's value, but now problem is this term having coefficient 0. That's why we have to find answer of x now. But don't say it is 0. We have to keep our calculations in two variables. So we will write here 2x equal to, shift this value to the other side, minus 9 minus 0 into y. Shift both the values to the right side in this way. Then you have in that 2, shift 2 in the denominator. You have this formula. But here you have to take care of values which we are going to use. Now you will use values of y in it and you will get answers of x because x is in the left side. So I am going to use some values. If y is 0, then what about x? X equal to minus 9 into minus 0 into 0 over 2. So I am using y 0. Then see what answer of x will come. Minus 9 minus 0 over 2 or minus 9 over 2, answer is minus 4.5. So answer is minus 4.5. Next, use some other value like 1. If x equal to, if y equal to 1, then x equal to minus 9 minus 0 into 1 over 2, or it will be minus 9 minus 0 over 2 minus 9 over 2 minus 4.5. So for 1 also minus 4.5. So we have coordinates. Now time is to mark them on Cartesian plane or in Cartesian plane. See, I'm going to erase this part. We will draw coordinate axis and locate these coordinates in Cartesian plane. So I'm going to draw two axes here. Positive direction of x-axis negative, y positive, y negative, origin 1, 2, 3 enough, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 enough here, 1, 2, 3 enough, because here you have values. See, negative direction needs more, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So I'm writing these values in this direction more because you will see its use. Here you have x minus 4.5. Where is x minus 4.5? Between minus 4 and minus 5 you have middle value, middle line on the graph paper. This is x minus 4.5, but it is not the point. See what is given first. X minus 4.5, y0. Y0 means this same point. It is x minus 4.5 but y0. Second one, x minus 4.5, y1. Where is y1? Y1 is here. X minus 4.5 here, y1 means upwards. In front of 1, locate one more point, minus 4.5, y1. Then draw a line, straight line with the help of scale on graph paper when you draw it. And there will be a line which will go parallel to y-axis. And don't forget to write the equation whose graph is this. It is of this line or this one. You can mark any. It is graph of 2x equal to minus 9 minus 0 into y. Or in the starting whatever you marked, it is graph of that equation. So we have this graph for second part. So I hope they are clear to you. Try to draw them on the graph paper. With the help of graph paper, when you draw these, you will feel more easy. So thanks for watching the video.